How to buy baby Sunnies Polarized glasses online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can purchase some baby Sunnies Polarized glasses. So let's get into it. So here, as you can see, I'm on the website, and you can find the link to the website in the description below, along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply to save quite a lot of money. So make sure you check that out as well. And then over here, just simply select the type of glasses that you want, right? You can see a bunch of babies wearing them. They look pretty cool. They look really cute as well. So let's go with this one. It has a strap so they won't lose him. So when we click over here, it's $19.99, right? You can buy it off Amazon as well. But if you click on more options, here we'll get the option to go ahead and add a discount code that you can find in the description below. So make sure you check those out as well. And once you've applied them, you get a heavy discount on these, and then you can just fill this form out and then purchase them. And it's as simple as that. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can buy some baby Sunnies Polarized glasses online. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.